Good day and welcome to Henzi Money Making class. So in today's video, we are going to be looking at Binance as a school. Yes, I'm sure you're wondering, Binance has a school? Yes, Binance does have a school. And in Binance school, what do you learn? You learn about cryptocurrency. But then, if you're new to my channel, why don't you hit the subscription button and touch the notification bell so you can always get regular updates like this. So in Binance School, what do they teach you? They teach you about cryptocurrency, all that you need to start with cryptocurrency. So let's take for instance, you have no idea, no knowledge about cryptocurrency. Well, the first thing you want to do is you want to use my link below to get registered. So after you're done with your registration, what next would you have to do? Obviously, it's not just something you just want to start off like that and all that, and you'll be scared like, oh, won't I lose money? What's cryptocurrency really like? What's blockchain really like? What are NFTs and all that, and so on and so forth. Though I've covered some videos on spot trading, on futures trading. You can find that probably in the description of this video. On my channel, you see a whole lot of that. Well, I'll do you the honors by putting that in the description of this video. So, Binance School or Binance Academy, it's a place not just only for those who are new to cryptocurrency, it's also a place for those who have already started their crypto journey, but they need to gain knowledge on one or two things. So, Binance has developed a platform, or more like a blog, where people can also drop important updates about cryptocurrency and you can get to learn deep down about cryptocurrency. Yes, deep stuff. Well, if there was anything like a PhD in cryptocurrency, most likely you'll also be getting it there. But then let's not exaggerate. You would have tangible knowledge about cryptocurrency. So how do we get started with this? So when you open your Binance app, you simply come over to this place and then you search, or probably let's say here too as well. I think this is only for coins. Okay. Yes, you search over here and you type in course. Now, this is going to take you to exactly how you're going to start your course. I'm clicking on it as a beginner in cryptocurrency. So you can see, and the beautiful thing about this is you're not just starting a course, you're also going to be getting NFTs at the end of your certificates. As you can see, you're going to learn the basics of blockchain and crypto, watch videos, you'll also be quizzed to ascertain whether what you're doing is right, and the quiz questions are not even much. And then at the same time, you have 6 courses and 29 modules in total. And you see, you're going to receive NFT certificates. So these are all the courses that you can basically get from Binance. As sweet and simple as this may seem. Yes, it's that simple. So you can see the courses that Binance will be covering are blockchain fundamentals, crypto fundamentals, decentralization, Web3, metaverse, trading fundamentals. How do I go about trading? That's it here, trading fundamentals. What should I look out for? Good. So trading and investing strategies are all going to be covered in this course. So when you go over to Binance Academy, now the thing is, you're also learning for free. So when you go over to Binance Academy, you still see other courses there, people have written, and then the ones that are trending and all that. So all we simply have to do is go back again, and then we search here for Binance Academy. So Binance Academy is, you likely see posts by other people talking about, so you can see here, Binance Academy. So I click on Binance Academy and it takes me to the school. So in this school, I get to learn everything I need to learn about Binance. Is that not awesome about cryptocurrency? You can see cryptocurrency is a white paper. These are topics, free risk management, and all that. Okay, so here you can see all the courses available for you to take, the trending articles as well. You have access to all those things. So that's the beautiful thing about this academy. And then if you have things to look up for the blockchain, for the NFT, DeFi, security trading, you also have access to all of this in the academy. So I feel this platform or this place is so loaded. But just in case you're not yet registered, my link is in the description below. And then if you have any questions, don't fail to drop them in the comment section. At the same time, don't forget to click on the subscription button so you can get awesome updates like this. Thank you.